and resizing for social posts, banner ads, product ads, and any other graphic you need to stick on your website, your e-com store, your blog, your social profiles, and whatever else. It creates millions of visual content designed for you in all shapes and sizes, styled and formatted at the click of a button. It does it so quick, which means that you can attract leads and buyers quicker too. Let me show you how this works. Now, the fastest way to get started in Pixalbot is to click on templates and choose one of the included templates in all of the hottest niches. You can also create one from scratch, but the fast and easy way to get going is to just choose one that's already been created for you and customize it. All you have to do is click on the one you want to load it onto the canvas, and then you can edit any and every element on there, from the backgrounds to the text to the fonts to the photos and images and everything else. Now, if I wanted to change the background, I just click on canvas. Again, I can choose my niche, and I can choose any of the appropriately themed canvases to replace for the background. If I want to add shapes, I can go ahead and click on shapes. And again, clicking any element would add it to the canvas. And there you go. You can then position it. You can resize it. You can move it back and forward layers. So you can position it exactly the way that you want it. You can also add other visual elements like accents. You can add buttons, characters, lighting, overlays, and even stickers. And you can add transparent photos, which look great on any background. These are also broken down by niche, so you can choose exactly the ones that match exactly what you're trying to create. And then there's illustrated artwork as well, broken down by niche, that you can use to make your point in graphical format also. Of course, you can add text, and you can even upload your own images. Now, the greatest part about Pixalbot is once your design is done, you now can actually spin this in one click into multiple other designs. If you want to download it, you can just click on size, and you can download it in all the most popular sizes for social media and online visual content. But you can click on spin, and you can also change any element of this automatically without any manual work at all. So we can spin the overlays, we can spin the photos, we can spin the text color, we can spin the shapes, you can spin literally anything and everything, including the backgrounds as well. And all you do is click done when you decide what you want to spin, and it will create 5 different versions of it for you automatically. You can click on any of those to load them, you can download them, you can save them to the cloud, or if you don't like any of them, you can just click done and spin again. And you can do this as many times as you want to create as many different looks and feels as you want. And what's amazing about this is all the designs that you create, you can use for yourself and your own social media needs and online marketing needs, but you also get a commercial license so you can sell them to clients. It took you seconds to make, and your clients won't know. They'll think it took you hours to create all these different designs. Then when you have the design that you want, and you want to get it in different sizes, you can export the entire set, or you could preview it just by clicking on size. And now you're going to be able to see all the different most popular social media sizes that you could possibly need. Also, you could post directly to social media. Just click on the post button, and the included services, you'll be able to post to the most popular social media platforms directly through Pixalbot. Just pick the design that you want to post, add that to your post. You can see the preview over here. You could add a title right here. You could add a body right there and links. And then you could go ahead and share it just by choosing your socials and clicking share. It's that fast and easy. So you could create lightning fast, professional looking designs to sell your product and services. Pixalbot does all the work for you in just a few clicks. There's no need to spend hours redesigning or wasting time resizing your content. No design or technical skills are required. So if you want to start getting results, this is the perfect software